Hello everyone, it's Eva and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to glam up this face, so let's get on with it. Using the Nivea Aftershave Balm, I'm going to apply it on all the areas that I have pores and I'm going to pack it in. I'm not going to drag it, but I'm going to push the product inside. Taking this Makeup Revolution concealer palette, going with the red shade, I'm going to apply it on all the areas where I have discoloration, pigmentation or any scarring. Well, this makeup that I did was something that I had to do in 10 minutes. I was getting late, so I had to do a very quick basic makeup. Also, I did this for a party, for a low-key party that I was going to, and I did not want to pack too much of makeup on my face. Also, I was wearing specs, so I wanted to keep it very minimal, very basic, and as I mentioned, I had no time. Going with a Wet n Wild concealer, I'm going to apply it over the red correction that I did on my face, and I'm just going to conceal it. Taking a flat foundation brush, I'll be blending the concealer onto my skin. Now I'm using the flat foundation brush is because it gives good coverage, and that's the reason why I did not use a sponge or my fingers to blend this in. Well, as you can see and as I mentioned, this makeup look that I was creating is a makeup look that you can carry really well with your specs. Now for somebody who wears specs, this is a very super simple, easy makeup look to go for. Also, if you're somebody who has very less product in their hand and you have to get ready, this is the look you can go for. If you're somebody who is very new to makeup, has no idea what makeup is and has no idea how to get it right, start with the basics. Start with this. Again, I'll be going in with my stippling brush and I'm going to blend everything out. So blending is very important when you do such makeup because you want all the lines to be fine. Drying the product down to my neck because I did not apply anything on my leg, so I'm taking it down. Again, going with the Kryolan TL11 powder, I am going to apply it on the areas where I applied my concealer. Now, I'm not going to bake my face. As I said, I have no time, I'm in a hurry. So I'm just going to apply it on my face and on the areas that I applied the concealer. But I'm going to go in with the second round. As you see, this is the second time I'm applying the powder under my eye, so I'm just going to pack it in really nice. Well, I don't know why I made that dot. That was so weird. But anyways, taking this powder blush, I'm going to dust off all the excess powder out of my face and I'm going to push that powder onto my neck. Taking a bigger, fatter powder brush, I'm just gonna seal everything in and I'm just gonna remove all the excess powder that I have on my face. Taking the Wet n Wild Photo Focus setting spray, well, it's with matte finish. I'm gonna spray it all over my face and I'm gonna just blend it with the beauty blender. Taking the matte blush powder in the shade Coppertone, I'm going to go with this over my eyelids. Now this is one blush that I'll be using on my entire face as an eyeshadow and also as blush. While taking that flat brush, I took a little extra product on the brush and I applied it on the center of my eyelid. Taking the brow palette, I'm going to be taking the red tone from it and I'm going to deepen my crease with it. Going with the M.A.C gel liner, which is in the shade Blackjack. I will leave all the information down below. Well, I hate eyeliners, to be honest, because I wear lenses and with one eye shut, I find it very difficult to see. I really can't see and I make very crooked lines on my face. So if I have to make eyeliner on somebody else, I can do that, but when it comes to myself, I just can't. Taking the eyebrow palette, I'm just going to apply it on the areas where my skin is shown on my eyelid. Going with the same brow palette, I'm just going to make my brows. Look at the difference. Going with the lash curler, I think this is by Vega, and I'm going to curl my lashes really wet. Now because I was wearing specs, I'm going to go with a very light coat of mascara. This is the mascara by Kiko and it's a waterproof mascara. I'm just going to apply one coat of mascara on my eyelashes, going in with the same shade under my eye, and then I'm going to be packing it with the mascara. Using the same blush palette, I'm going to put it on the apples of my cheek. Taking this Mascara illuminator in the shade Gleam, and you must have heard me rave about this product so much in so many of my videos, but I'm just going to apply it on the higher points of my face. I'm going to blend it in with my fingers. Going again with a fan brush just to make it smooth. Well, you have to clear the mole. I cannot walk out of the house without clearing or taking out the product from my mole. Using this Maybelline lip liner pencil, I'm so sorry I forgot the name. I will put it in the description so you can check it out. Well, I'm going to be lining my lip and I'm going to be covering my lip with this first. I like a good coat of lip liner. I never skip lip liner. Using the Palladio lipstick, again, I'm sorry, I've forgotten the name of the shade. I will be putting it down below in the description. But I'm going to go with it and I'm going to apply it very generously. Now I'll be using the foundation brush to clear out the edges and to make it look sharper. And for the last time, I'll be going in with my setting spray, and that's it. I hope you like this look and I hope you will create it. If you liked it, please give it a thumbs up. Also comment down below in the description of any video requests that you have. I really appreciate people who subscribe to my channel, and if you're somebody who hasn't already, see that circle, please hit that, and I will see you soon.